So guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm at a new spot called Lindy Shores. Kindly a friend of mine, Peter, who lives across the road, has taken me to this spot today, and it's absolutely magical. So you've got traffic on the left, jays on the right, and we've just been walking probably about 10-15 minutes. I've had chickadees coming right in on me. I've seen chipmunk, we've seen blackbirds, doves. It's just alive in here with wildlife. It absolutely is. It's gone a bit quiet now, but I'm going to have a look around, going to go to loads of different areas. It's got a bit of foreshore here, it's got ponds, it's got an open areas for hunting for birds of prey. Absolutely fantastic. So yeah, on we go. Got a ringed billed gull, which at home would be quite a rarity. Quite tame. Lovely bird. So guys, you can see here, got a very habituated red squirrel, just having a bit of a feed. Caching, off it goes. Wow, amazing, really, really tame. And a chipmunk. Oh, look at that. Wow, it's amazing. How tame is that? We've just stopped here and had a little downy woodpecker that's just feeding on this old dead pine here. Lovely female. Just did a bit of video and a few shots there, but really difficult. I'm obviously doing everything today handheld, got no tripod, so if it's a little bit shaky in places, then you can understand why, as it's handheld. But this place is fantastic. You know, we've been here kind of, I don't know, 40 minutes, seen loads of stuff already. It's wildlife everywhere. You know, it's fantastic. So it's quite nice because it's got a mixture of open habitat, forest, it's got some lakes, got some ponds, and I spoke to somebody and they'd just seen a northern harrier hunting just off a meadow, and she got some wonderful pictures of the harrier. So yeah, rather envious there, but really glad she got it. And she saw a golden eagle going over yesterday. So yeah, fantastic. It's a great little spot here. So quiet really now when you get away from the roadside and you get into the forest here. There's chickadees, there's blackbirds, there's loads of things just, you know, going on around us, and I can hear a few kinglets as well. So yeah, fantastic new spot, guys. It's great about being here, getting local knowledge from Peter and other people that show me some of the places that they go, which is really, really kind of them. But yeah, going to head on, see if we can find this harrier. So just got to this cracking open area here, which is really, really long meadow by the looks of it. Lots of old wildflower seeds in there. I think this is where the lady said that she'd seen the northern harrier. Not here at the moment though, but hopefully we might get a glimpse of it. It's really, really perfect for owl species, for harriers, birds of prey, and probably great for a few deer as well to lay up in the middle of that throughout the day, having a nice sleep in the sun. But yet again, I've timed it quite well with the weather. It's now, again, latter part of October, and I'm wearing a t-shirt again. I've just been told by Peter that the Indian summer they get in North America, so quite glad that I'm not quite in thick woolly clothes, big jackets just yet, and just enjoying the sun. But onwards, hopefully we'll bump into that harrier. So now I've gone from walking through meadows and forest, and now I'm going to call it a beach. Obviously this is Lake Ontario again, which is absolutely ginormous. I mean, it is a beach essentially, looking, that's pretty marvellous. What a view. And there's a few bird species out on the water, probably divers maybe, I don't know, loons maybe, I'm not sure. Have to get the bins out and have a look, but oh, fantastic to be here though. It's absolutely cracking day. Just feel like going in for a swim. It's lovely. Yeah, beautiful. It's nice to see that Canada's also got some species that we got at home. Good old mute swan, they get everywhere. But yeah, it's a cracking spot here. I've just been told as well that they have marsh hawks here, which I haven't ever seen before, so that'll be another species to look out for. So much. It's great to get out here today and have a little look round really, just to see what this place has got to offer, but this is like 45 minutes from where I live. But another great spot really. So guys, hope you really enjoyed that. It's a bit of a quick sesh today, just having a look at a new spot. Really pleased with it. It's been a golden eagle overhead. There's been a northern harrier. A few other bird species went through, loads and loads of smaller species, squirrels, there's been chipmunk, there's been loads of stuff going on, stacks of jays, loads of other smaller bird species. There was like a bluebird as well, apparently. Loads and loads of water birds as well. There was blue herons, there was loads of coots, moorhens, mallard, other sorts of ducks, there was mergansers, loads and loads of stuff. Great being out, finding these new spots really, and it just gives me something to focus on, you know, moving forward, certainly for later in the autumn and winter. But as always guys, thanks very much indeed for watching. If you don't subscribe to the channel and you fancy coming along, please click that all important subscribe button, and that bell to be notified of any new videos coming out. But from me and from this cracking spot, I'll see you next time.